Welcome back. In this section, we are going to talk about NetBeans visual cues. As we work with Java code, NetBeans will provide some clues as to what is going on with our code. Like for example, if we have compilation errors, the lines that won't compile will be underlined with a red squiggly line. If we have unused variables, they will be underlined with a gray squiggly line. And if we have warnings, those will be underlined with a yellow squiggly line. Also, inheritance hierarchy clues, that means that if we're working with a class that extends another class or that is extended by another class, we can see which methods we are overriding from the parent and which methods are overridden in child classes. So let's take a look. Here's a very simple Java project. As we can see, we have a red squiggly line here, and we also have a light bulb in the gutter. And the light bulb means that NetBeans has a suggestion on how to fix the problem. So if we hover over the line, the variable that's not compiling, we can see that we can hit Alt-Enter, and NetBeans will give us a hint on how to fix that. And in this particular case, we have 3 hints, and the actual problem is that we don't have a field named site2. So if we just click on this, it will be automatically created. So that problem is solved. Also, up here we have an import that is underlined with a yellow squiggly line. A yellow squiggly line is a warning. So again, hovering here, we'll see that this import is unused. So if we hit Alt-Enter, NetBeans offers to remove the use import, so we can just hit enter and it's gone. So that problem is solved as well. Finally, we have a variable here that is underlined with a gray squiggly line. And again, hovering over it, we'll see a tooltip that says that this field is not used. So we can delete it. The keyboard shortcut in NetBeans to delete a line is Control-E. So that is gone. All right, so no more warnings, no more error messages. But we see here, we see some little circles or symbol on the left-hand side gutter. So this gray circle with an O, that tells us that our class is being extended or has subclasses. We can hit Control-Alt-B to go to the subclasses, so we can click on that symbol and that will take us to the subclass. We see a green circle with an I, and what that is telling us is that this method is declared or defined in the interface that we're implementing. So again, we can hit Control-Shift-P if we're in the method, and NetBeans will take us there, or we can simply click on the icon and it has the same effect. Okay, so here we see another I, same thing, another method in the interface. This O, gray O, that means that the method has been overridden as well. So again, we can navigate by clicking on it or Control-Alt-B. Okay, so as we can see, NetBeans can provide some very nice clues to let us know what's going on with our code. That is especially useful if we're working on code that we're not familiar with. At a glance, we can see what is going on and somewhat, get some idea of the inheritance hierarchy, as well as providing warnings and compilation errors on the fly. So that's it for this lesson, and that is it for this section as well. In this section, we cover mainly NetBeans, refactoring, navigation, things like that. In the next section, we will actually start talking about Java EE, and the first topic that we will cover is JSF. So I'll see you guys then.